Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Caltopo Backcountry Mapping app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Caltopo is a detailed mapping app designed for outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, and backcountry explorers. It offers high-resolution topographic maps, customizable map layers, route planning, and GPS tracking features. The app supports offline maps, weather overlays, elevation profiles, and allows users to save and share routes for better trip planning and safety in remote areas. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise Caltopo for its comprehensive mapping tools and the ability to customize maps extensively. The offline capabilities and GPS tracking are especially useful for those venturing into areas with limited connectivity. The route planning features, including elevation profiles and weather data, help users prepare better for their trips. However, some users find the interface a bit complex initially, especially newcomers to mapping apps. The advanced features have a learning curve and may feel overwhelming. Also, while the free version offers basic functionality, full access to premium maps and features requires a subscription, which could be a downside for casual users. In summary, the Caltopo app may be worth using if you need reliable, detailed mapping and planning tools for serious backcountry adventures. However, if you prefer simpler apps or don't require advanced mapping features, you might find it more than you need. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.